Hello, this is Lewis, Classic Cars of Palm Beach and Jupiter. 2021 Sierra 1500, 106,000 miles. It is a Texas edition. Just doing a quick walk around video of this truck for our out-of-state buyers, online buyers that can't physically come in and inspect the videos. Not much talking in these videos. I'm just gonna go around the truck a couple times and, like I said, show any imperfections this truck may have. Let's go ahead and get started here in the back since we're here now. Tail lights look nice and clear. Scratch right there. Got 2 dents on the metal bumper. Light scratches here on the driver's side. Turn signal, might be able to take that out. Also be showing the rims and tires. Look good there, no curb rash, lots of life left. Really nice truck. I don't see any dings or dents here on the side. This is the front. Driver's side. A little bit of pitting there on the rims, right on the edge. Not on all the edges, but on that edge specifically. Good tires there, Texas Edition badge. Headlights look good too, nice and clear. Not yellowed or faded out. Has some scratch there. Try to probably fill it in with touch-up paint. Grill looks good. Front end looks good as well. Small scuff here on the mirror, passenger side. Overall, really nice condition. Looks like the plastic fell off of this running board here. Kind of strange how only one wheel has pitting, but that's, you know, kind of strange. Show you the interior. Nice dark wood grain. Seats fold down. Leather. Nice headliner. No sunroof. Door panel looks great. Dashboard looks great, not bubbling or anything like that. I'll go around and show dashboard on that side, and then also the condition of the steering wheel. That's always important. Show this door panel. Alright. Dashboard here. No engine lights, no warnings. Nice seats. Just a quick video here. Again, you know, to show the condition. No funky smells in here. It doesn't smell like a, you know, smoker's car or pet smell or anything of the sort. But yeah, if you have any other questions, want to see a specific video, excuse me, please call us. Phone number is 561-529-3101. Thank you.